In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paddle payments on your website with a basic checkout flow, webhook support, and sandbox testing. We'll go through the process in a clean and practical way so you can get everything connected properly before accepting real payments. To begin, head over to Paddle and log into your account. If you're setting things up for the first time, it's a good idea to use the sandbox environment first. This lets you test the full payment flow safely without charging real customers, which is especially helpful while you're still configuring products and notifications. Once you're inside Paddle, go to Developer, then Authentication. Here, you'll need to copy a few important values for your integration. The first is your client-side token, which is used by your website to connect to Paddle's checkout. You should also copy your vendor ID or account ID, depending on what your dashboard shows. Keep these details available, but make sure not to expose anything sensitive beyond what is intended for client-side use. Next, go to Catalog, then Products, and create a new product. As you set it up, define the price and choose the correct currency for your offer. When the product is ready, copy the price ID. This ID is what tells Paddle exactly which product and pricing option your checkout should load, so it's an essential part of the setup. Now it's time to add Paddle to your website in the simplest way. Paste the provided code into the body section of your page. After that, replace the placeholder values with your own details, including the token, the price ID, and the URLs used in the code. Double-check these carefully, because even a small typo in one of these values can prevent the checkout from loading correctly or cause the wrong redirect behavior. The next part is extremely important, setting up your webhook. In Paddle, go to Developer, then Notifications, and add a new destination. Enter your webhook endpoint URL using your own domain and file path. Then enable the required events: transaction.completed, payment.failed, and subscription.created. These events allow your server to respond to successful payments, failed charges, and new subscriptions. After that, copy the webhook secret and store it securely. This secret is used to verify that incoming webhook notifications are genuinely from Paddle. Finally, test the payment flow. Since you're working in Sandbox first, complete a test transaction and confirm that the checkout works, your product loads correctly, and your webhook receives the expected events. If everything passes in testing, you'll be in a much better position to move confidently into live mode.